Here we go. I'm building something again. This is part one of me redoing my oldest baby's room. And now, I dare men to ever ask me what I bring to the table. I'm going to just send them the link to my TikTok because, baby, I bring it all. You know how hard it was getting that bed up them stairs? Baby, I built the table. Call me Babiana. Now, somebody had came on here last year and said that TikTok was the new Amazon. And I criticized that statement because I was like, bye, whatever. But I just got this bed off of TikTok. A whole bed frame. And you can see it already. It looked nice. You see that little thing in the back? You can't even see it yet. But look, the bed lights up. I'm going to just say that now. The bed lights up. And I really feel like my oldest baby is going to be groovy with it. At this point, I need to start a business building people's furniture for them that don't feel like doing it themselves because I gets down. Look at this. This bed say you need 2 people to put it together. Who? I am Mrs. Babiana the Builder. I'm going to put it together. I really tried to cut out as many of the backside scenes as I could because y'all swear up and down that my furniture building videos be about my cheeks, and they don't. I make specific videos about how pants look on my butt. Like, I'm literally showing y'all that I'm building. Ooh, see? It's just there. I can't take it off. It's not like I can take it off. Anyways, this bed lights up, so I am done putting it together, and I'm plugging it up, and I'm showing y'all me reading the instructions. Apparently, look at this. It flashes. You could do different modes. You can speed it up and slow it down. It's super freaking cool for a 12-year-old. You can sync your phone. You can download their app, and it will sync to the music that you're playing. Listen. This is super freaking cool. Just the last building furniture part of redoing my big baby's room. We're putting together this Raybees dresser. It's 12 drawers. It has that black faux leather look that matches all of the black aesthetic of the rest of my big baby's room. This was rather simple to put together. Pro tip: when you're putting stuff like this together, do not screw in your screws all the way until you get done with the whole structure. Because if you tighten them up as you go, something not going to fit and you're going to think that it's something wrong with it. It's not. Just wait until you get done with the structure. You see how I'm doing here? Go through and tighten them all done once you get all the pieces put together. Does that make sense? Do it like halfway, maybe 2/3 of the way, okay? This was rather simple to put together. I love the durability of it. They're very much sturdy. I put another one together that was in my son's room a few days ago, last week maybe, the 15-drawer one. This one is the 12-drawer one. I get a lot of questions about who my child decides to be, and all I have to say to that is my child is going to be exactly who they want to be. And that's all I'm going to say about it. This is my least favorite part, building the drawers. It's the easiest part, but it's so tedious and repetitive. I don't like putting together drawers. I learned that this past year. It's annoying. But we got them done. We got the drawers done, put them all in there, and we are done with the dresser. It's that simple. It doesn't take that long to put it together, and you've got a really nice dresser to look at. Isn't that nice? Does it not match the aesthetic of the rest of the room? Now, here is the room. I'm nowhere near done, but look at it in the dark. Oh, it's so nice. My big baby gonna love it so much. It looks so great in here. Oh, I also got this little lamp from TikTok too. It's super cool. It turns 3 different, lights, and I actually got kind of caught up playing with it because it's wireless. You just tap it and turn. Yeah, I'm childish. Okay, you stand right here. You go in there and go sit down. I took everything out of your room, and I'm sending all that stuff back. I want you to go upstairs, and I want you to fix the problem because I don't like what I found in your room today. Let's go. Go sit down, Ali.
Mom.
Do you like it? I love it. Isn't it awesome?
I was wondering how big the bed was.
It's a lot bigger than the one you had.
I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
See, get on the mattress. See if the mattress comfortable. Is it comfy?
It's comfy.
Yeah, it's nice, ain't it? It's nice in here.
It's lovely.
That's what's up.
I thought you were being serious.
Yeah, I wanted to trick you.
How could you?
I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
Good. The bed was lighting up. Cool. That's freaking awesome. Like, look what it looks like with the lights off. That's lit. That's lit.
That's cool.
Ain't it cool?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. And it said you can hook it up to whatever music you're listening to by Bluetooth, and it'll go to the music, just like the punch machine do.
The bed?
Yeah. It'll go to the beat of the music, just like that thing. It's super cool.
This is really cool.
Is it?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. I worked on it all day. Oh, love you. I'm glad you like it.
I love it.